Welcome back to Improve Autos. Today, we are talking about a comeback that is sending shockwaves through the automotive world. For 20 years, American fans have watched from the sidelines as the rest of the world enjoyed the ultimate off-roader. But the wait is officially over. Mitsubishi has teased the return of the king, the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero, or as we know it here in the States, the Montero. This isn't just a rebadged Outlander. This is a rugged, luxury-drenched Japanese Range Rover designed to take down the Toyota Land Cruiser. Let's see if this revival has what it takes to reclaim the throne. Exterior. The 2026 Pajero is a masterclass in modern retro design. Moving away from the soft curves of the past, the new model is unapologetically boxy and muscular. It features a bold clamshell hood and Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield grille, flanked by sharp L-shaped LED light graphics. It sits on a high-clearance ladder frame chassis with massive wheel arches that scream off-road capability. With its upright stance and flat roofline, it looks less like a grocery getter and more like a Dakar rally champion that just put on a tuxedo. Performance. Under the skin, Mitsubishi is bringing its A-game. For the US market, the 2026 Montero is expected to be a plug-in hybrid powerhouse. Reports suggest a quad-motor system, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, inspired by the Elevan's concept. We are looking at a potential 400 horsepower and instant torque for rock crawling, combined with the legendary super all-wheel control system and an evolved active yaw control. This truck won't just handle the dirt, it will dominate it. Plus, with a targeted 60 miles of pure electric range, you can trek through nature in total silence. Interior. Step inside and you'll realize Mitsubishi isn't playing around. The goal here was premium utility. The cabin is wrapped in high-end, soft-touch materials with real wood and metal accents. The centerpiece is a massive 12.3-inch digital cockpit and a matching infotainment screen that features dedicated off-road telemetry. For 2026, it remains a true 3-row SUV, seating 7 people in total comfort. But don't let the luxury fool you. The floors are designed to be durable, and the switches are oversized so you can use them even while wearing heavy off-road gloves. Pricing and US arrival. Now, for the big question, how much will it cost? To stay competitive with the new Toyota Land Cruiser and Lexus GX, the 2026 Mitsubishi Montero is expected to start around $55,000 USD for the base trim, with fully loaded luxury editions reaching the $75,000 mark. It's a premium price, but you're getting a vehicle with a racing pedigree that few others can match. Official US showrooms are expected to receive the first units by the end of 2026. So, would you choose this over the Toyota Land Cruiser? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for the latest updates on this legendary return.